Good evening. My name's Bridget, and I'm an expert opera singer, but I'm definitely not a DIY expert. And according to those lovely people at DIYblinds, that doesn't matter at all, as you don't need to be one to measure and install your curtains. So let's get into Act 1, Scene 1. First, you need to check your angles to make sure they're at either 45 or 90 degrees. If you're worried they're not joined together at 45 degrees, you can make sure by folding a piece of A4 paper like this and placing it into the corner. If both sides are flush with your window, then your angle is 45 degrees. To check if it's 90 degrees, place a piece of A4 paper in the corner, and if it fits snugly, you know it's a 90-degree corner. If it's either 45 or 90 degrees, it's time to get measuring! Next, you need to decide if you want your curtains to run from ceiling to floor, known as a ceiling mount, or from wall to floor, which is known as a face mount. If you've opted for a ceiling mount, measure the width of your ceiling above the left, middle and right sections of your bay window, starting at the outer edge of the left side. These measurements will be your track width. For face mount, measure the width of each section of wall from one corner to the other. Now, measure from your ceiling down to the floor on the left, middle and right. And keep a note. La la! Like I can. Keep a note of the largest measurement for your drop measurement. For face mounts, measure from the floor to where the top of your curtain track will be. When you're designing your curtains, you can choose from 3 options. Just off the floor curtains will sit approximately 5 to 10 mils shorter than your drop measurement. Touching the floor curtains will skim your floor by up to 5 mils. Puddling curtains will be 20 mil longer than your drop measurement and will gather slightly on your floor. We're approaching our big crescendo, but first you need to select a wand size. You'll also want to work out how you want to open and close your curtains from the left, middle, or the right-hand side. And if you're adding motorization, you need to choose what side the motor will sit on. The last thing you need to do is choose your hem option. Some fabrics come with a sewn-in weight at the bottom, and it's recommended you choose this where available for your curtain to sit just right. They'll really take your curtains up an octave! Now, you're all set to order your curtains. The end. Well, not really the end. You've still got to install them. L'amour, 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 l'amour. If you need any more help, just sing out on 1300 918 390.